studied the chapter similarity, and then the properties that we have studied in the similarity chapter, that is test of similarity. Using test of similarity, we are going to prove some theorem in the chapter Pythagoras theorem. So let's see here the first theorem, that is similarity and right angled triangle. So theorem related to this topic is, let's see its statement. In a right angled triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other. It means that if we draw altitude on hypotenuse through vertex, then the right angle triangle is divided into two triangles. These two triangles are similar to original triangle as well as with each other. So according to this statement, let's draw here figure. So observe here, this is triangle ABC, which is right angle triangle, and segment BD, this is altitude drawn through vertex on the hypotenuse AC. Due to this altitude BD, this triangle ABC, it has been divided into two triangles, that is triangle ADB and triangle BDC. Now according to theorem, we have to prove that these two triangles, triangle ADB and triangle BDC, are similar to original triangle, that is triangle ABC. ADB is similar to triangle ABC and triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. This we have to prove. This is given in the theorem. So let's write given from the figure. So here, see, in triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC. So here, which is right angle triangle, and angle ABC, its measure is 90 degree. We are writing here given using figure. Segment BD. BD is perpendicular to AC. AC is hypotenuse. So BD, this is altitude drawn on this hypotenuse AC. There it means that BD is perpendicular to AC. And A dash D dash C, that is this foot of the perpendicular, that is point D, is between A and C. So it is written as A dash D dash C. So betweenness is given. So let's see here what we have to prove here. To prove triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ADB, this triangle is similar to original triangle ABC. Point number 2, triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. This second smaller triangle is similar to bigger triangle, right angle triangle ABC. And third, these two triangle form, that is triangle ADB and triangle BDC, are also similar to each other. So we have to prove these 3 points. So let's see here proof. So in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, so observe here triangle ADB and triangle ABC. So angle DAB, this angle DAB, and angle BAC, which is angle of bigger triangle ABC. So DAB is congruent with BAC because this angle A is common angle. Similarly, angle ADB, its measure is 90 degree, and angle ABC, its measure is also 90 degree. So angle ADB is congruent with angle ABC because each is a right angle. So in these two triangles, there are two pairs of congruent angles. So if two triangles have two pairs of congruent angles, then we can say that these two triangles are similar. These two triangles, triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC by angle-angle test of similarity. So this is equation number 1. So observe second pair of triangles here, triangle BDC, this smaller triangle, and consider this original triangle, that is triangle ABC. So in these two triangle, angle BCD here, angle BCD and angle ACB, angle BCD and angle ACB, that is angle C, this is common angle. So BCD is congruent with angle ACB because common angle. Similarly, angle BDC, this one, it is right angle. Similarly, angle ABC is also right angle. So BDC is congruent with angle ABC because each is a right angle. Both angles are right angle. So these two triangles, again they have two pairs of congruent angles. So triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. So this triangle BDC, this smaller triangle, is similar to this original triangle or bigger triangle, that is triangle ABC. It is given in equation 2 and we have proved it. And in equation 1, this triangle ADB is similar to here original triangle ABC. So from 1 and 2 here, observe equation 1 and 2. We can write here triangle ADB. Look here, ADB is similar to triangle ABC and triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. So by using transitivity property of similarity, first triangle is similar to second triangle is similar to third. So we can write first triangle is similar to third triangle, that is ADB, this triangle is similar to triangle ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. Therefore, triangle ADB is also similar to triangle BDC. That is, these two triangles formed are similar to each other. That we have to prove here. So in this way, we have proved that these two triangles form, that is triangle ADB and triangle BDC. These triangles are formed due to the altitude drawn on hypotenuse. These two triangles, triangle ADB and triangle BDC, are similar to each other, as well as these two triangles are similar to original triangle. That we have to prove here and we have proved here. So in this way we have proved this theorem.